Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am showing you how to make a Pokemon ball. Sorry, I'm still finishing it, but I don't know if you guys saw the video when I made my marshmallow bun and packaging. I already went ahead, but I'm just going to show you how to do the rest of it. So I had white foam, so I didn't paint the bottom because I didn't want to, because the foam itself was already painted. So what you want to do is just write a black line, but you don't want to keep going to the black line. You want to stop where you think the middle is, and just color all around that. Then you're gonna take a red marker. Or you guys can use paint, but this is basically like paint because if you touch it, it stains your hands. So yeah, I'm finishing this.
This is pink one.
And it doesn't look well like everyone else's, I guess, because it's my first time making one. I have never actually made a Pokemon ball before. But if I do get another crush ball, I'm gonna get a crush ball that's white, so I could do something. And I am in my kitchen this time. So this is right there. Of course, maybe a brother drink. You guys have never saw this before. It's not a squishy, it's a stress ball for my dad. Or forever, who gets mad. And I made this kitty in a cup. It has came off. It's rising. But sorry about that noisy, I don't know, the noise. Sorry about that. And what's this? Yeah, say hi to the camera. She can't show you guys. This is a mini version. Maybe you're barely yelling. It's just so hard to do. Jen?
Yeah, it's enough, you guys. Enough.
My mom just walked past it. They look great, but
Stop now.
I'm doing a video here. I don't. Fine. My mom does not say bad words. She didn't say bad words. Kiana, she never says a bad word. Guys, Kiana. My mom never cussed before, you guys. She never cusses. I don't know what my Kiana just said that because she wanted to make me embarrassed. Because I'm not embarrassed. It's not working, Kiana.
I'm not making up this stuff. I'm down the road, so think of making this stuff.
You are making it up.
Okay, now. Stop, I'm trying to fix your bottle. I'm trying to fix it. No, you can't drink it.
I'm not trying to touch it or anything. I'm trying to keep the bottom white.
No, Pop, no. Put the cap on. Put the cap on.
I'm trying to color as small as I can without touching it. So I'll get to you guys when I finish coloring the red. Okay guys, so I just finished. So you guys can see, I just finished it. But I'm not going to squish it right now. So, in the back is not nothing to do. So I'll tell you guys when it dries and when I can squish it.